It starts with a simple scroll, just checking notifications, looking for a quick escape. Every like, heart, and view triggers a tiny spark in your brain. That spark is dopamine, the chemical that hooks you and leaves you wanting more. Minutes turn into hours as you swipe endlessly, trapped in an infinite loop. But the moment the screen goes black, that cheap high instantly vanishes. Outside your screen, the real world is moving forward. Real success is being built. You look at your own goals, your books, your work, and it feels overwhelming. You try to focus, but your mind constantly drifts back to that glowing distraction. You tell yourself, just 5 more minutes, but time slips right through your fingers. Without realizing it, you become a prisoner to your own smartphone. Every day is a choice. You can either scroll through someone else's life, or you can put in the hard work to build your own. Look closely at where you are spending your energy. Is it worth it? Breaking the trap requires strict discipline. Lock away the distractions. Embrace the boredom. Sit through the friction, and finally start your work. Real progress is slow, it is quiet, and it doesn't give instant rewards. But every painful step you take builds true competence and strength. When you reach your goals, the satisfaction is real. It belongs entirely to you. Leave behind the virtual noise and step into your full potential. Escape the dopamine trap. Focus on what matters and build real success.